The story of today is Two Bear Cubs from a Miwok myth adapted by Robert D. Sansosi and illustrated by Tracy Walker. The genre of this story is a play. A play is a story that can be performed from an audience. So here you can see all the characters of the story. Let's get started. Many snows have come and gone since this story was first told. My people, the Miwok, live in California, some in what is now called Yosemite Valley. We tell stories of the old days, when animal people live in the valley. One story begins with Mother Grizzly going to the river to catch fish for herself and her cubs. Don't be afraid of a little water, younger brother. I'm not, older brother. Children, stop scaring away the fish, or we will have nothing to eat. Out of the water now. I want you to gather berries, but stay close and do not go down river. Strange things happen there. Look at these berries. They are so sweet. Taste them. We shall take them back to Mother. I have eaten too many. We will bring some back later. Oh, I am full too. Let's see what's in downriver. We are not supposed to go there. I see only the river and trees and stones. What is there to fear? I'm tired. The hot sun and my full belly make me want to sleep. A nap will be good. See that big flat rock? It looks so warm. Let's rest there. The cubs fell asleep on the stone, but the stone was the seat of a mountain. As they slept, the stone grew bigger and bigger, higher and higher. It carried them so high that only Hawk saw them as he flew by. He flies past the rock, looks at the sleeping cubs, and then flies back off stage. Meanwhile, Mother Grizzly wondered what had become of her cubs. Older brother, younger brother, Fox, Badger, have you seen my cubs? No, I have been helping Badger build a new home. Neither of us has seen them. We will help you look for them. Mother dear, my little ones are missing. Have you seen them? They have not come by while my children and I were grinding acorns, but we will help you find them. Mountain Lion, we are looking for my lost cubs. I will help you find them. Mouse, have you seen my cubs? We have searched everywhere for them. We have looked in hollow logs and caves and in the berry patch and the honey tree. No, but I will help you. Perhaps they went down river. I warned them not to do or to go there. Sometimes our little ones do not listen very well. I agree that we should look down river. Look, everyone! There is a mountain where there was only a stone before. I see Hawk. Hawk, have you seen my lost cubs? They are asleep on this strange new mountain. Please fly to my children, wake them, and help them find their way down. The wind will not let me reach your little ones. Someone will have to climb up and rescue them. One by one, the animals tried to reach the cubs. Mother Grizzly tried several times, but always tumbled back. Mouse jumped from stone to stone, but quickly got scared and jumped back down. Badger climbed a bit higher. Mother Deer a little bit higher. Fox did even better, but no one succeeded. Even Mountain Lion failed. Mountain Lion, you are the best climber, and were my best hope. There is no one now who can save my cubs.
I will try.
Foolish Measuring Worm! Do you think you can do what the rest of us have failed to do?
Tutakana, your name is longer than you are.
My people call Measuring Worm Tutakana, which means little curl stretch. He moves by stretching, to, then curling, talk, the way a caterpillar moves. I welcome your help.
Tutak, tutak.
In time Measuring Worm climbed even higher than Mountain Lion. He climbed so high that the animals below could no longer see or hear him. Sometimes he would grow afraid and stop when he saw how high he had climbed and how much higher he had to go. Then he thought about poor Mother Grizzly, so worried at the bottom of the mountain. He thought about the cubs in danger at the top. Then he found his courage again and continued to climb, all the while crying,
Tutak, tutak, tutak. Wake up!
Something terrible has happened. Look how high we are. We are trapped here. We will never get back to our mother.
I have to come to guide you safely down the mountain. Just follow me and do as I say. We will follow the safe path that brought me here.
I am afraid I will fall. I am scared too. Mother Grizzly's children are not so afraid, for she is the bravest creature in the valley. We are grizzlies. We are brave. We will follow you. Mother Grizzly, look! Measuring Worm is guiding your cubs down the mountain. Be careful, my children. Trust Measuring Worm. He has brought them safely this far. He will not fail you now. Both of you have been very naughty. Look at the trouble and worry that you have caused us all. You did not listen to me and went where you were not supposed to go. I am sorry. I won't do it again. I will never disobey you again. Be sure that you remember what happened today, but do not cry, little ones. It has all ended well, thanks to the help and courage of Measuring Worm. Then all the animals decided to call the new mountain Tutakanula, which means Measuring Worm Stone. This has to honor the heroic worm who did what no other creature would do. He saved the two bear cubs, and the mountain held his name for many years until bear cubs. The mountain held this name for many years until newcomers named the mountain El Capitan. We, Miwok, still call the mountain Tutok Anula to this day.